What's going on, everybody? Got another video today. Going back to my roots here with another DS Lite. This one has a broken power switch and it's got a bad fuse in it. So let's get in it and get it fixed. Okay, and there you can see the issue with the power switch. There is no power switch, it broke off. And then with the fuse, see if I can't get a light in there. The fuse is just gone. I can't remember if I took the fuse out of this one or if somebody else did, but there is no fuse. So I ordered a backup. Just look how tiny these are. Tiny, tiny. And then here's the replacement for the power switch. So I'm gonna finish taking this apart and get it on my solder stand. Alright, so that's got the power button. Y'all don't judge my soldering skills, I'm still pretty new to it. I got a little bit of solder on the component, but I just took a week and got it off. I'll clean it all up with alcohol here in just a minute. but I can say that it is on there pretty solid. Let's go ahead and get the little fuse put in, and then we'll be ready to reassemble and make sure everything else is working. I'm not sure if the screens on here are busted or if they're working just fine, so fingers crossed that these inner components are the only thing that's wrong with it. Okay, fingers crossed. Both screens are good. Everything checks out. Let's finish getting it put together, and then we'll try to clean it up a little bit. All right, so there you go. Not perfect. Looks a whole lot better than it does. All that stuff is inside the shell. I don't really feel like taking this apart just to clean it. My main goal with this video was to fix the power button and the fuse, but I would definitely consider this one an overall win. Looks great. All right, now I'll have a little announcement to make. I am very interested in doing a giveaway soon. If that's something that you all would like to see, please drop down in the comments what you would like the giveaway to be. I'm assuming it would be a DS that's been restored, maybe the one from my last video, my last DS video, or one where I do a custom shell. Whatever y'all would think, just let me know. I would like to do kind of both, but this one may be for a bigger subscriber goal. So maybe if I hit 500 subs, that's whenever I'll do one of these with the USB-C mod, full shell swap. And maybe at like 150, I'll do one of these. But we'll talk about it, we'll think about it. Please let me know in the comments what you think. But if we're gonna get anywhere with the giveaways, I just need some subs. Videos for the future. I've got a couple of GBAs that are coming in. I've got a Game Boy Color and a Game Boy Advance that I would like to fully mod. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, drop a like, drop a follow, subscribe, leave a comment. Y'all have a good one.